in the matter that was registered by Delhi police under Makoka against the crime syndicate.
They produced Naresh Balyan in the court of district judge, and the case was marked to the special court, Madam Kaveri Baveza. They seek 10 days PC, police custody, in that case. But we opposed that custody, and the police could not satisfy the court regarding that that the person Naresh Balyan is having any link, is having any concern with the gangster, or there is not even a single complaint from any of the person regarding extortion or help in extortion or abatement of the extortion. There is not even a single complaint. We can say even not a single person who has appeared or come and approached before the police saying that he has paid any amount of extortion to anyone. So in none of the FIR he has been named.
So what is the ground of lodging a case under Makoka? What is the ground of police?
In fact, we are also failed to understand that what is the ground. Because in Makoka, there is a word that in section 2, abats. So they said that there is no need to prove abats. There is no need to prove felicitation. At one place they are saying that he was the person who given the names of the target. At other hand, they are saying that this person was having share in the money. Third government that he used to purchase property at the cheapest rate on the basis of that gangster. But in none of the government they could prove in before the court. So when they failed to prove the court also said that you are having so bulky file, and I think nothing is there. So the case was urgent for tomorrow for reconsideration whether the PC is to be granted or not.
So have the police mentioned any amount that was generated from proceed of crime or organized crime?
We specifically argued about that whether there is any person who said that any amount A or B was ever paid by him to any person, but they said that no, not even a single person has come before the police to say that he has paid the extortion money to anyone.
So, but the SPP specifically mentioned that his role was to identify the potential target of extortion and get money out of as a cut from that and investing the money in the property.
I think you are also aware, being a media person, that prior to this 2023 also, there were in other areas also, Nazafgarh and that Jafarpur Kala, the persons are already getting threats and there is no one person to identify them. So this is mere an allegation against the Naresh Balyan, because he is the person, when any person received the threat, suppose a person received the threat, he advised him to approach to the police. And accordingly the person approached to the police, case registered. And person has not paid the amount. Then in that case, he had a revenge against this person. So by naming him that he is the person, ji main isko itne paise deta hu, isko itna paise deta hu, only to malign his reputation and to entangle him in these litigations. इसलिए इसका नाम उन्होंने लिया है.
किसने लिया सर एक बार?
नंदू ने. नंदू जो कहता है कि भाई मेरे को ये जो कह रहे हैं कि शेयर मिलता था, वो मिलता था, वो जो क्लिप ब्रॉडकास्ट हो रही है उसी में तो वो सारी चीजें हैं कि जी आपने मेरा नाम दिया था, आपने उसका नाम दिया था, आपने उसका नाम दिया था. लेकिन वो सारे कह कौन रहा है? वो एक ऐसा मुलजिम कह रहा है जो इनके हाथ से दूर है. कह भी रहा है या नहीं कह रहा, क्योंकि आज तक तो आइडेंटिफाई हुआ नहीं कि कोई नंदू की आवाज है या नहीं है. तो ये सब प्लांटेड है और ऐसा उसमें कहीं कुछ नहीं है.
आपकी दलील ये भी, one of your argument was that what is the source of that audio clip that was telecasted on TV?
Till date, since 2023, we are again and again asking the police that what is the source of this, from where this clip was circulated and who recorded it, because a media was broadcasting it. But till date, the police knows better that what is the source, because till date, police has failed to produce and failed to prove that this is the source. There is no source. So nowadays, AI is so competent. You can copy the voice of any one person. You can get it merged in others conversation. So you can't say that it is an authenticated. It is not an authenticated. This is only a political motivated case. कि भाई आपको एक में bail, when you granted a bail in a case, so you will release from the custody. So to avoid the release of the person, you arrested him in the Makoka case. This is only that. Thank you.